Welcome back to Tech Code Analytics. Today the topic is virtual mouse. It's a AI based program which I have designed for you, and you can see all the libraries which you need to install has been written in the first three lines. That is OpenCV MediaPipe and PyAutoGUI. These are the three libraries that you basically need to install with the help of PIP commands in your local system. So in your local system, you need to have Python programming language, okay, and you need to install all these three libraries. Just you need to open command prompt, pip install like MediaPipe, okay, opencv-python, opencv-python, and PyAutoGUI. These are the libraries which you need to install. Okay, these are the libraries which you need to install. Once you install these libraries, and after that you can be, it will be easy for you to use this particular application. Okay, without this library it is not possible to use this particular project. Now in line number 7, you can see I have adjusted the screen size, and here we have mp equal to mp hands equal to mp dot solutions dot hands, and inside this I have basically given a program to detect the hand. Right, I've written two lines of code to detect a hand, and after that I have basically written a code for opening the camera. Right, a code for opening the camera means the primary camera, that's why cv2.video capture. Okay, and basically it's going to, I've written about drawing utils, it will open the primary camera of your system, and it will basically detect your hand. After detecting your hand, or after reading your video, it will basically do what, it will convert it to CV2 to CVT color, where you are basically passing the frame as the first parameter, and the second one is CV2 color means color underscore BGR to RGB. Okay, so if you see, it's basically a constant, right? And here we are actually detecting the hands, and after detecting the hand, whether it is a left hand or the right hand, okay, the hand is getting detected. After that the landmarks would get detected on your hand, and once the landmarks get detected, basically this is where we need to detect the fingertips. So the index of fingertip in line number 35, then we have in line number 38 we have the thumb tip. Okay, we have adjusted the width and the height, and after adjusting the width and height of the index finger, then we have the width and height of the thumb. Right, width and height of the thumb. After that the line number 47 and 48 I have written for basically the mouse move. Okay, the mouse move. So we have adjusted the screen height and width as per the mouse, and here we have PyGUI dot move to, we have passed the screen x and screen y, because we are going to move the mouse pointer towards this into the screen. Okay, so we have passed the x-axis and the y as well, and you need to draw the points, these are basically the points you need to draw against your thumb. Okay, and here we have calculated the distance between a finger. Right, and in line number 60 I have written that if you pinch, this is basically the code, that if you pinch basically means you are clicking. Okay, you are clicking on that particular item, right? Okay, and here I have written on line number 65 that cv2 dot I am show you, it is going to show a frame. See, I passed a frame. So frame is basically the window inside which your video will be captured, and it will be displayed, where you can make the gestures with your fingers, index finger and thumb, and you will be able to control the mouse of your computer. And if you press escape, then this line is actually for pressing escape. Once you press escape, your system basically your frame will basically end. Okay, and all the releases will be resources will be released, as well as the windows will be destroyed. Okay, so this is a very simple code. It's a very basic code for a particular project, and this project is about virtual mouse. So this is a py file. It's a py file. I have kept the files inside the downloads. You can see the file is basically inside the downloads. So I will change the directory to downloads, cd downloads, and if you want to run this file, basically I'm making use of VS code. So you have to write python virtual underscore mouse.py. Don't use Google Colab, because Google Colab directly doesn't support Open Computer Vision or CV2. So there you will face a problem. You have to save this file with a .py extension. in your local system you need to have a Python installed, as well as all the three libraries, that is OpenCV, MediaPipe, and basically PyAutoGUI. All this library need to be installed in your local system using the pip command. And in the description of this video I have given how to install this particular libraries. I will give each and everything I've given. And how to run this Python virtual mouse.py. Since I've kept it inside downloads, so I went to downloads, change the directory to downloads, and I have written here Python virtual underscore mouse.py. And if you run this particular code, you will see that the camera would get open. And once the camera get opened, you will be able to control the mouse of your system. Okay, so you can see that the camera will basically get open. Let once the camera, okay, you can see the camera gets open, and you can see it's detecting my hand, right? It's detecting my hand. So if you basically just go to this solution, you can see that it is or you can, if you just make use of this left hand, okay, you can see that you can adjust or you can access those solutions. And if you want, you can just pinch. You need to pinch. Okay, you need to pinch. Okay, you can see you can, how you pinch. You need to pinch. Okay, you just need to pinch, right? You just need to pinch. And here just let me move this window to the other side. It will be much more easier for you. Let me open the notepad. Okay, so let me open this notepad. Now you see, if I just move this particular part to this encoding. Okay, encoding, you can see how the system, it is getting controlled, how the mouse is getting controlled, okay, by your fingertips. And if you want to click on settings, so you have to pinch. You have to pinch. Okay, you have to pinch. Then a language, okay, you have to pinch. And you just come to this close. You just come to this particular close, and here you click on this close. So it's getting closed. Okay, so you can see how our system is getting controlled by a particular Python program. And if you want to just close this frame, you just press escape keyword from your system, and the frame will get closed. So thank you everyone for being here. Okay, thank you so much.